Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to fix can't hear anyone on Discord. To fix audio or Discord audio issue where you can't hear anyone, first of all ensure your audio drivers are up to date and headset speakers are properly connected. What you could do is outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause audio problems. Update your drivers through the device manager or your audio manufacturer. So here, come to this tab or go to the Windows home page. Click on the search bar and locate device manager. So you could type in device manager and open it up. After which, what you could do is here you have this audio input, right? You want to double click on it, go to microphone or maybe speaker, whichever is selected, and go ahead and what you need to do is right click and click on update drivers. Now then click on browse my computer for drivers and click on the next button. Follow the on-screen prompt and check for audio drivers the updated ones. If the issue still persists on, you also want to go ahead and ensure corrected device is selected. For that, you open up your browser and go to Discord. Then go to user settings. As you click on the user settings, what next you want to do is go to voice and video. So here you'll be able to find under the app settings, go to this section. Make sure that input volume is maximum as well as output volume, and make sure that input and output default are selected. As well as you could go ahead and make sure that voice activity is also selected. Once you do it, so you simply want to scroll down and you have to enable all of these permissions. And next thing you also want to do is you also want to make sure if you see this sort of pop-up menu right over here, then you want to make sure that you've allowed the microphone to take access. After you've actually done it, so then whether you're able to hear the audio or not. Similarly, if the issue still persists on, then the other method is to simply restart your PC. At the same time, reinstall Discord, and that should be able to help. So these are some of the ways to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.